Good morning, guys. I hope everyone's having a great Labor Day, a 3-day weekend. But guys, crypto never sleeps. Here's the deal in this video, guys. I'm gonna take you down to the 4-hour time frame. I've been blown away. I was literally looking at these charts. I'll show you guys a couple coins here on this, of the accuracy of that we've been able to predict over here with the moves up and moves down before they happen. The gist of the overall market, guys, let me just cut to the chase. We've got price risk while money flow sitting at a metric value of 44.37, and we've got the trend exhaustion at 51.47. Everything is sitting in the middle right now. You guys look at your major oscillators, we've got a little bit more bearishness down here than bullishness. And here's the deal. Everything's just going sideways. There's a few coin exceptions. ADA ended up pumping up like crazy over the weekend, so we got a nice jump there. DOT is one of the exceptions as well, but the overall market is just going sideways right now. And I think a lot of people were expecting this to go a little bit higher than it did. Watch this, guys. Let me take you to the 4-hour time frame. And I was looking at this before I got on the video. Look at the accuracy of this. We are using an indicator called the top and bottom finder. Now, I remember when we came out with this name, I'm like, this is going to sound so arrogant if this thing actually can't perform to what we're calling it. But I'm looking at this, guys, and it literally called the bottom candle before the move up here, the exact bottom candle, guys, before a move up, and literally the exact bottom candle before a move up. And then we got this over the weekend calling the exact top candle. It's kind of ridiculous when you start looking at this. For those of you guys who are scalping the lower time frames, I did a video last week. A lot of you guys requested that. If you're scalping the lower time frames, you need to have an indicator that calls this. I want you guys to look at your oscillators, look at your RSI, stochastic, MACD, MFI, CCI. Those indicators are not going to be able to call this accurate. They will not, guys. It's because they're oscillating within a range. So when you have an indicator that oscillates within a range like this, you have a top and you have a bottom. The only way you can have predictive analysis in that is if you have a high parameter which says, okay, this is now overbought, or it's going into what's called an oversold territory. The thing about that is that those indicators are pinned to a range and they cannot go above or below this because they're pinned. You take an algorithm like this that uses a mathematical equation and doesn't use oscillations, that's how you can predict bottoms better, because there's no way any of the indicators would have predicted this. If you look straight down, it didn't meet any of the lower section oversold values. I want you guys to compare that. If you look at it over here, this did not meet any of your oscillating values of oversold. This mathematical equation is calling it better than any of your oscillators. So I'm excited about that, and I'll show you guys how to get this for 53% off today. It's a Labor Day reminder. I'll do that in 1 second, but let me do this before we get there. Overall, the analysis today, you guys are looking at your charts. Please watch the 4-hour time frame, and I am also personally watching the 1-day time frame because that's when we're going to get more money back into this market, and I'm going to call it out to all of you guys in Telegram. On top of that, for those of you guys who do have a membership with us and you're scalping with us, we are 440% more than the S&P 500. We're actually hint over 600%, but I'm basing this on 10% a year. So what I want you guys to do right now, today, on Monday, and this weekend here, this 3-day weekend, is watch the indicators. Watch the indicators and get the discount code that I'm about to show you guys. The bundle pack is going to give you access to the trend exhaustion and the price risk while money flow. Watch these as these get high to watch for market reversals. That bundle pack there, guys, is going to give you access to a coupon code, which is a 53% off coupon code for our new indicator. So the bundle pack, 82% off, guys. Snag that. You'll get 9 indicators and the source codes are included. Immediately after checkout, I've got it all highlighted for you guys. You'll get what's called a surprise gift PDF. It is a 53% off coupon code, and you guys will get 53% off our new top and bottom finder. I promise you guys. Put this on your charts. Go to the 4-hour time frame. You guys can do this on this coin. You can do it on ADA if you want. If you guys are scalping, you would have gotten this call exactly, calling the bottom of ADA here, calling the bottom of ADA here, and arguably calling the bottom here on this candle before we saw the move back up. And it also called the top up here before we saw the move back down on a strong sell. I promise you guys, this is the greatest edge I believe we've actually seen in the markets for any type of indicators or metrics in 2022. I did not code this. This was a friend of mine. It's 4 years in the making. So coming out here and sharing this with you guys, I want you to get the best deals here. So bundle pack first. Snag that, guys. We are doing a half day as a team. I wanted to honor the team because it's a holiday. So snag it right after this video, and we will give you guys access to this with a 53% off coupon code you will get right after you purchase the bundle pack. Okay, guys? Last but not least, if you want to join us on our scalping trades, we only charge $75 a month. So check this out, and all in is here. $75 a month. Take your guys' account and look at the scalping trades that we've been able to do. If you have $1,000 and let's say you just take 2 trades in a month, or let's say you take 1 trade, which is 4%, okay, $1,000, that's $40. You take 2, that's 80 with your whole account balance if you guys decide to do that. you guys are making all of your money back within 2 trades. If you have 5,000, 10,000, you are easily, I believe, going to make your money back every single month. And you can see our performance track record over here. So I wanted to come out and just show that to you guys and show you the confidence of, look, the indicators are amazing. Get those hands down. But the actual membership where we call scalping trades, I think you guys are really going to like that because we are 440% more than the S&P 500. So going into this weekend, guys, get the indicator. Make sure you guys use the coupon code for the 53% off. Snag that, get everything set up as we go into this week's analysis, and then snag a membership, guys, because I'm going to be calling some scalping trades over here on the inside tips for all of our members. God bless you guys. Have an amazing Labor Day. This is pretty stinking ridiculous. Watch the 4-hour time frame for the next call if we're going to go up or if we're going to go down, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.